What's up everyone, Mello is here, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to finally start making games. Okay, so a game dev can be divided into four main parts, which are coding, 3D or 2D modeling, compositing, and sound effects. However, sounds are something that you'll need to work with later on, so let's skip them for now. And actually you can start your journey with any of the three things. However, if you're aiming to be an independent game developer, you'll need to learn everything. So let's start with the third thing, which is choosing your game engine. I'd personally recommend you choosing Unity because it's very beginner friendly, and what is important that there are tons of free tutorials on YouTube that will help you along your journey. So get your lazy ass up, turn on your PC or laptop, whoever cares what you have there, and download Unity Hub right now. This logo will remind you every single fucking day that you can be doing games at that very moment. And by doing this life hack that I'm showing you right now, you certainly won't misclick it. Just try it, it works. So here we are, you have already done 33% of your work. Isn't that awesome? And now we are left with two main things: creating assets and coding. Well, I'd recommend starting with coding, cause this way you will be able to create your first small game much faster. And probably right now you're asking yourself a question. Hey Mello, I do not know how to code and I still haven't downloaded Unity. No problem, dude. Firstly, download Unity. Then you can create a 3D project there, because 2D is a mainstream, and start putting there some objects. Just like that. Yeah. Now we want to make these objects move. Well, how do we do it? You can simply open Google and type in, how do I make an object move? Or open up a solo learn app and select a language you would like to learn. In case of Unity, it's probably C#, and complete the tasks. This way you will learn the syntax of the language and will finally understand what the hell these people are talking about in tutorials. And for a better learning experience, download it everywhere. Go to Play Store, download it there, put it on your home screen, turn on your PC or laptop or whatever you have there, I don't care, and make sure you have already installed Unity. Just install it, please! And type in SoloLearn and start learning language you need. After all these steps, I'd personally recommend getting into competitive programming, which will basically make you able to complete simple tasks and provide knowledge of how everything works. For this, open Google and type in cut forces. Create an account and sort everything by rating. The less this value is, the easier it is for you. However, don't forget to increase the difficulty as you're moving through. I'd recommend making a couple of these tasks a day and getting back to this over and over again. Short summary: download Unity Hub, download SoloLearn, learn C# or C++, whoever cares what you're learning there, go to Code Forces, register an account, sort everything by rating, and complete some tasks. And you won't believe me, but now you're basically able to create your first game with simple shapes. Isn't that dope? You can now compile your project for Android. No, don't compile a scene without any scene, and a scene with static objects too, okay? Stand up, go to your dad and say, yo, I'm a game developer. Well, I also talked about 3D and 2D modeling, and for this stuff you can download Blender or MagicaVoxel, which will help you create your 3D models. MagicaVoxel might seem a lot easier to you because it's straightforward. Put small cubes in this box and create your 3D model, just like when you were a kid and was playing Minecraft. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and will actually start creating your games right now. It might seem very hard at the beginning, but with just a little bit of enthusiasm, you'll create your first game very soon. I'm also thinking right now of creating a tutorial on how to create your first small game, but don't wait for it. Start doing stuff by yourself. Don't wait on someone who will be always notifying you that you should start doing something. You've downloaded Unity, right? This tutorial will just help you later on to fill some gaps you didn't understand by yourself. So now please consider smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel to see more upcoming videos. Peace!